Hi everyone, today we will learn how to switch pages and make button pressing effects. There is two many used touch control to switch pages: basic touch module and a return key code. Return key code can upload a data frame to serial port and switch pages at the same time. It can be used on some trigger buttons, and PLC can react after receiving the return code. We draw an area for touch, and at the right side is the module settings. You can rename it button effect and switch to pages you want. Full QWER keyboard is only used when doing text input. We will talk about this later. How to make button effects. You need to add another image whose buttons are with button effects. You choose button effect page 1. Then our tool will automatically add the effect when you press on the screen. We can preview them on the tool by click here. Thanks for watching.